messed up on it. That's all right.
Old horseshoe rasp that the farriers use to fall down the hoofs. They throw them away. These was dug out of a field somewhere. It looks like they're pretty bad shape. And then we take them and bend them and turn them into artwork. I think we've done probably close to 12 or 13 here at the festival this week. Takes about an hour and a half to do them. Depends on which forge you use. We did this one in the gas forge. Took a little less than an hour. We do them old school way, about an hour and a half, 2 hours sometimes. So that's one of the things we've made at the festival this week. We can make belt buckles out of them. We make buckles for saddles, for the girth straps on the saddles. We make spurs out of them. We've made knives, Bowie knives out of them. They're good steel. They're hard, high carbon.